The book needs to match your voice and your personality. And the way to ensure that it does is by voice memoing, because then you are actually speaking your book. It increases conversion. It makes conversion so much faster and easier when they already feel like they know you. The next mistake people make is they actually write their book, right? Either by hand or typing it. Critical mistake. Again, if you're doing it for legacy, you're doing it just because it's a passion project, that's different. But if you are doing it for client connection, client acquisition, client conversion, if you are doing the book to build your business and your brand, then you are going to voice memo your book. And that is really, really important, because I don't care who you are, we write differently than we speak. Our diction choices are different. Our cadence is different. Our sentence structure is different. We're much more formal when we write than when we actually speak. And if the point is to have a business in a book where you can just pull your social media content from the book, you can pull the newsletters from the book, you can pull the email sequences from the book, you can pull your speech content from the book, you can pull your e-course material or workshop material or mastermind material or group coaching material or retreat material from the book, then the book needs to match your voice and your personality. And the way to ensure that it does is by voice memoing, because then you are actually speaking your book, so that when the reader is reading the book and then they see you on YouTube, they see you on social media, they see you on a stage, they hear you on a podcast, the personalities align, the messages align. They already feel like they know you. They already feel like they're listening to their friend, because it is the same voice that they've heard in the book. Really, really important. It deepens the know, like, and trust factor. It deepens the bonding factor. It increases conversion. It makes conversion so much faster and easier when they already feel like they know you, right? How many of us, we feel like we know Jamie Kern Lima, right? We don't know her. We haven't met her. Or if we have, we've met her at an event, but she's not, we can't just call her an amazing if you can. That's amazing. But she's an absolute master at showing up on social media, showing up on stage exactly the same as if you read her book, Believe It, right? Or you've read any of the advanced copies of Worthy. They sound exactly. So when you are reading those books, it's like you're having a conversation with her. It's like she's sitting right in front of you talking to you, and you can't help but bond with her. You cannot help but feel like you are sitting there turning the pages of a conversation with your sister. And that then really deepens the connection when we see her on a podcast, or we see her on social media, or we see her on a stage. We're instantly bonded with her because of that congruency. So really, really important. Do not actually type out your book, okay? Super important.